you babes and ghouls, so today we're going to be doing another look inspired by the band Twin Temple. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys have known I've talked about them in the past, and I've actually done an album review. I'm not sure if I do a little song review, because they did come out with a new song called Satan is a Woman, and it's really catchy, it's really upbeat, I love it, so I would definitely recommend giving it a listen. So I guess let's just dive into the tutorial now. Okay, so I had these little devil horns that I made out of Palmer clay. I made these like a few years ago. There's probably like, they're pretty easy to make, it's just Palmer clay. But I think I stuffed foil inside of them to make them lighter, so that way they wouldn't just be clay. If it was just clay by itself, it'd be really heavy, and it wouldn't be able to hold itself up. And I think I used a red clay for this, and I think I used some like pastels to color it, like at the bottom, like to kind of shade it, you know, just to give some dimension and stuff. So yeah, I also have like another those set of horns. The tip of them broke on one of them, but they're like more like a natural looking horn, and it's really cool. But maybe one day I'll do a tutorial for like how to make your little horns. So I guess we're gonna glue these on using some spirit gum, and then I guess after that we'll cover it up and make it blend into the skin. Okay, so my horns are glued on, and unfortunately it turns out I left my scarf hoodie at my boyfriend's house, so I would not be kind of blending it into my skin. I mean, you could use toilet paper and then cover it up with concealer, foundation, and do that, but I just don't feel like doing that. I really don't feel like gluing paper on my face right now, to be honest. Okay, so next we're going to be doing liner with this Kat Von D Beauty tattoo liner, and I'm going to kind of do like a big wing, kind of like how Alexandra's has hers, and we're going to be doing dramatic. And I might add a little bit of glitter in it later, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Anti-Precision Eyeliner to fill in the eyeliner. I don't want to use a bunch of liquid eyeliner in just this one thing, so we're going to be using this because I like it. It's very pigmented and it's very dark. Okay, so next I'm using Melissa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we're going to be diving into the shade Beast, which is this beautiful black shade, and we're going to be using it to set the eyeliner. Okay, so we're going to be lining underneath my eyes with the Kat Von D tattoo liner again, and I'm going to kind of create like another like little wing underneath the eye, if you guys know what I'm saying. Y'all see, it was really kind of like a double wing look. I think I kind of did that with my last Twin Temple look, I don't remember, I think I did. But you guys get the idea, right? Okay, so next I'm going to be using a white eyeliner on my waterlines. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the ABH glitter adhesive, and we're going to apply some on my eyelids directly, and then of course we're going to be adding Black Mage's black glitter. I'm not really sure the name of this glitter, but I don't know, I think that the names on websites, but this one doesn't have a label. This is like one of the first collections. But we're going to apply that all over pretty much the top lid. Okay, so next I'm gonna prep my brows with this ABH brow primer, and I've tried it already and it works pretty well. I usually apply it before applying the brow powder stuff, so yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the ABH Dark Brown Powder Duo, and I'm going to take a little brush. I'm trying to make it look as natural as I can. They recently sent me a restock, and I chose a lighter shade this time, so thank you so much, ABH. You guys are very nice and generous. And I'm just going to go in. I might draw some individual hairs in this one. This one I might not be able to because this horn keeps sinking low. Next I'm going to be setting my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, and I'm going to kind of comb them up to make them look more natural and fluffier. Okay, so next I'm using this ABH Blush Trio in Pink Passion. Okay, so next I'm using the ABH Dream Glow Kit, and we're going to be diving into the shade Magic. Okay, so next I'm using the shade Lucifer from Vinyl Cosmetics, and this is actually a collaboration from Twin Temple, which is very awesome, and I love it. And I love how it comes in this really beautiful packaging. It's really beautiful. It even has the lyrics to the song Lucifer, my love. I love it. And it's super cute. It came with a little Get Into Hell free card, which is awesome. I like it. I'm going to apply the shade to my lips. This is actually one of my favorite red lipsticks, and I really love it. I used to wear it like every day to school when I was in school. But it's been a while since I've worn it. I don't really wear makeup as often anymore. Okay, so next I'll be using this Baby Bad Beauty Midnight Mascara on my lashes. And I actually do have a discount code for this awesome shop. It's down below in the description box. It's Denise_Javen, and you save about 20% off your order, I believe. I can't remember. But yeah, so make sure to check it out. There's a link down below, and the discount code is also in the description box as well. Next we're applying lashes, and these are from Shop Mimi Artistry. These are in the style Amelia. So I also do have a discount code for the shop as well. I recently got it. It's Denise5. I have it down below in the description box as well, and a link to the website. And these lashes are actually only $10 without the little discount, but if you use my code you'll get an extra discount on these lashes. They're really beautiful and I just love them so much. Okay, so next I'm actually using these little cheap eyelashes from the 99 store. I got these like a long time ago and they've just been sitting in my drawer. So I think it's about time I chop them up and make these into little individual lashes. And I'm gluing a few of them, maybe like about 4 of them underneath my eye. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna go finish up my hair really quick off camera and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay, so that will be it for today's tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, checking it out. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll have all my social media links on the screen and also down below in the description. This makeup look is really fun. It was actually based on this little sketch I did. I was listening to the new song and I was just felt very inspired, and also very inspired by the way she does her makeup and her hair. So I had to like recreate it a little bit with my own little twist. So yeah, and I also had some horns on it too because I thought that'd be really cute. And it's very fitting for the theme. Also my hair came out really cute. I mean, I really like the way I did this. I don't know, I was just trying to like improvise here because my hair is like really long, so I had clipped some, I guess from the swirl, some hair came down, so I was like, oh, I can just kind of, you know, lay it down and kind of curl it or whatever, and then my sideburns because they're getting really long and thick. So that will be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!